Hi, I'm Anita. Today I'm going to teach you prime factorization. It is the process of expressing given number as a product of prime numbers. Now, what do you mean by prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers whose factors are one and number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Now there are two methods to find the prime factorization. First is factor tree and second is prime factorization. First, let me explain you factor tree. Let me take one example as suppose 48. Now 48 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So I can write 48 as 2 times 24. Again 24 is an even number. I can write 24 as 2 times 12. 12 is an even number. I can write it as 2 times 6. 6 is an even number again, so I can write it as 2 times 3. Now all these are prime numbers. I'll circle all the prime numbers. So the factors of 48 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now let me take another example. Suppose 45. Now 45 is not an even number, so 45 is not divisible by 2, so I'm considering next prime number as 3. So I can write 45 as 3 times 15. Again 15 is not an even number, so I'll divide it by 3, so I can write 3 times 5. Oh, so factors of 45 are 3, 3 and this 5. So I can write this 45 as 3 times 3 times 5. Now we'll consider another method, that is a prime factorization. Let me take another example as suppose 216. Now I'm making a ladder like design. 216 is divisible by 2, so I'm dividing it by 2, so it will be 108. Again 108 is divisible by 2, so it will be 54. Again 54 is divisible by 2, so it will be 27. Now 27 is not an even number, so we cannot divide it by 2, so I'm considering 3. So 3 times 9 is 27. Again I'm considering 3, so 3 here. Again I am considering 3, so 1 here. So you have to solve this prime factorization till you get 1 at the end. So I can write 216 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So this is known as prime factorization method. Thank you.